The launch season for 2023 flagship smartphones is upon us. The Indian smartphone market has already witnessed many new premium devices such as the iQoo 11 5G, the OnePlus 11 5G and the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Joining the league is Xiaomi's most premium smartphone offering to date, the Xiaomi 13 Pro. The highlight feature of the phone is its new 1-inch camera sensor, which was first seen in the Xiaomi 12s Ultra. There is more to the Xiaomi 13 Pro than just the camera sensor, but before that, here's a quick unboxing of the device. The retail box of the Xiaomi 13 Pro is quite big, and I think you know what it means. The box also has some of the highlight features of the phone mentioned on the back. Open the lid and you are greeted with a cover that has the SIM ejector tool, a screen protector, some documentation and a TPU case. Then, there's the new Xiaomi 13 Pro 5G itself sporting a glossy back panel. Rounding off the list of the bundled accessories are the 120W fast charging adapter and a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. The Xiaomi 13 Pro is a tall phone and is clearly not intended for a lot of one-handed use. The phone is also on the heavier side at 229 grams. The weight is primarily due to the use of premium materials such as ceramic for the back panel along with a beefy battery. At first glance, the Xiaomi 13 Pro looks very premium. However, the glossy back panel tends to attract many fingerprints. There is a TPU case in the box, but I would rather get the white color instead, which helps avoid the fuss of cleaning the back panel regularly and it still looks equally premium. The Xiaomi 13 Pro features a 6.73-inch WQHD plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It gets all the premium display features such as support for Dolby Vision, HDR10+, Widevine L1, etc. The curved edge screen offers 1900 nits of peak brightness and comes with a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. For securely unlocking the phone, there is an in-display fingerprint scanner along with the convenient AI face unlock. The metal frame is curved on the sides, whereas the top and bottom portions are flat. On the right edge you get the power and volume keys, whereas the bottom edge houses the USB Type-C port, primary speaker, SIM card tray and a microphone. The top edge houses the IR emitter and another microphone. On the back, there is a square-shaped camera module for the triple camera setup. The Xiaomi 13 Pro houses a 50MP 1-inch Sony IMX989 primary camera with support for optical image stabilization. There is also a 50MP ultra-wide camera with a 115-degree field of view and a 50MP telephoto camera with 3.2x optical zoom. Digitally, the camera can zoom up to 70x. There is a hole punch cutout at the top of the display for the 32MP front camera. Xiaomi's partnership with Leica for flagship smartphones is also making its debut in India with the Xiaomi 13 Pro 5G. It goes without saying, our Xiaomi 13 Pro review will cover the performance of all 4 cameras in great detail, so stay tuned. The Xiaomi 13 Pro uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, which is currently the most powerful SoC available for Android phones. The 13 Pro also packs a 4820 mAh battery with support for 120W wired fast charging, 50W wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging. The unit that we got had 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. In terms of software, Xiaomi has launched the 13 Pro 5G with the latest MIUI 14 based on Android 13. The new MIUI update is claimed to have received many enhancements under the hood, which should help offer a smoother user experience. Xiaomi has also promised to provide 3 years of software updates and 5 years of security support. Stay tuned for the full review of the Xiaomi 13 Pro, which will be up very soon on Gadget 360.